All right, now that you guys have a pretty good understanding of what data scraping is and kind of what we kind of do in data scraping, let's jump into what we need. So what we need is kind of the interface to write our code in. And for us, that'll be Visual Studio Code. And you want to install this. So what you want to do is go to code.visualstudio.com and click download for Mac OS or whatever system you're using. So I think you can just click download here or whatever. But yeah, download this. It'll be very important for our future use. All right, so once you download this, what you want to do is you want to click Visual Studio Code on your desktop, and you want to, yeah, once you click it, it should there should be this screen that kind of pops up, and what you want to do is click Open, and you want to click Desktop and kind of choose a place where you want to be putting the stuff you're writing into. So the code will be writing in Visual Studio Code will be going into whatever folder you select or whatever place you select. So you can either make a new folder or you put into an existing one. And for us, we'll be using Club Lectures. So for me, I'm using Club Lectures here actually. And yeah, so once you get in here, you want to click right click and click new file, and you can just name it whatever. So I'm gonna just say data scrape. But the most important thing is you put .py after. This tells the system that you are writing in Python, the Python language, which is very important. So yeah, and then after that, if you can go here, and you want to go to extensions, and you want to you can search up Python in here. So I'm gonna do Python. And what you want to do is install the Python language. So you want to click right here. It's just an install for you guys, and it says uninstall for me because I already installed it. But just click install, and you should be good. Make sure you do this because if you don't have this, you can't write any code. So yeah. So once you do that, you should be good. And what you want to do after that is you want to write this code. So oh crap, my fault. Yeah, so basically, you want to write this code right here, and these are basically all packages that will be very important and will our help facilitate our data scraping. And yeah, basically, what packages are, they just help you write code in a much more simpler manner without having to write very complicated code. Just it helps you with functions and a lot of stuff like that. So what you want to do is you want to go to View and you want to go to Terminal. Because right now for you guys, there should be like a squiggly red thing under BS4 and requests, I think. And for me, that doesn't happen because I already installed these packages. But for you guys, you want to do, again, go to View, go to Terminal, and you want to, hold up, you want to write pip install beautiful soup 4. And for me, it says already satisfied because I already have it. And you guys also want to write pip install request, and it should install request as well. And for or re, whatever you want to pronounce it as, I don't think you guys need to install anything for this because I don't think there should be a red squiggly line. So yeah, that one you don't have to worry about. But request and beautiful soup, make sure you install. So yeah, let's just kind of give you guys a brief introduction to what these packages do. So beautiful soup allows you to kind of find stuff easier and operate easier within the HTML that you are going to be using. So the HTML again is the inspect or the thing you get once you click inspect on a website, and it's basically the code that gives the website its structure and everything like that. So yeah, and to get this HTML from any website, use the package called request, and that's why we installed it. And I'll just give you guys a pretty quick rundown. So let's just make a variable called URL. Let's just call this URL. Let's just assign this URL to this link. And in Python, let's just give you guys a quick rundown of Python. So in Python, say like number, to make a variable, you can just put the name of the variable equals, and for a number, you can just put like 7 or whatever number without quotations. That will be a number, okay? And then say if you wanted to make like a string or word, that you'll have to put quotations on. This is a line of strings. So yeah, this is a line of strings. Basically, once you put quotations around something, it's gonna become a string, and that's another data type kind of. That's kind of the rundown. I don't think that's really confusing. That should be pretty self-explanatory. And yeah, so basically, we're gonna make a variable called URL, and we're gonna assign it to the basketball reference website right here. And basically, what request allows us to do is let's just make another variable called page. And let's just use one of the functions in the request package, which is request.get. and we should be able to get URL. And what we want to do is we want to let's just print page.text. So basically, I'll run you guys through what's happening here. So you're assigning URL to you're assigning this website as the URL, and it's a string because you put quotations around it, right? And then you're doing you're making this new variable called page, and you're using this function, which essentially turns this string into HTML. So basically, what the request does is from this website, from this URL up here, you're extracting this HTML from the website, which is pretty cool, in my opinion. And basically, we can see that if we do print page.text, let's just run this. Yeah, so basically, this is the HTML to the website, a basketball reference, the whole HTML, and it contains stuff that we saw earlier, such as table data or table columns and stuff, and other stuff such as names and stats such as rebounds or minutes per game. So yeah, that's basically what requests allow you to do. And yeah, so we're gonna keep this video pretty short at like 8 minutes, and we won't be writing any code today, but we'll be writing code next time, so be ready. And yeah, I hope everything makes sense, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.